So,
I have, before you start, I went to several doctors. I copied you in an email recently. Doctors are calling AOCA relentlessly. I think there's one thing you should potentially read before. Just bear with me 1 second, please.
Also ich versuche zu übersetzen, falls da irgendwas ist.
This doctor investigated AOCA, has called him several times, and is basically saying they're lying to him about everything.
Maybe first I should tell you what AOCA told me, or what's in the files, because I received a copy from the files from them, and they told me as follows. You received Krankengeld since the 13th of March 2017. And the next step was that SAP told them that you received wage from the 1st of May till the 30th of June. And if you receive wage, you can't get Krankengeld.
I won't say anything to you.
Yeah. Just let me finish, and then you can tell me what is right and what not. Then, after this period, you showed them a certificate from the doctor that you are still arbeitsunfähig on the 17th of December, but it was dated from the 12th of November, so it was too late. Because you have to send it to them the first day from the ongoing Arbeitsunfähigkeit on. Understand?
I'm waiting until you
Yeah, just want to make sure you understand.
It's all lies.
Okay. So, after that, the new certificate was too late, and if there is only 1 day between the old one and the new one, you are out of Krankenversicherungsschutz. You are not insured anymore with the AOK. So that's what they told me, and they showed me copies of the Arbeitsunfähigkeitsbescheinigung with a stamp on it when they received it. And if that is wrong, you would have to prove it that they did get it earlier on.
Can I now say?
Yeah.
It has been a non-stop, disgusting violence I have been subjected to from AOCA. I will tell you exactly what's happening. My employer is SAP. SAP is pulling the strings on all of this. So I was subjected to mobbing, violence, brutal attacks at SAP. To the point, I had a lawyer to go against SAP, right? Now, this is all in Munich. So they made me open a Commerce bank account. Commerce Bank closed my bank account, which is completely against international law. And I actually have a police report that says embezzlement. So I can't access my bank account. AOCA basically have lied through their teeth from the start. They basically said, we can't pay you because SAP paid you that money. I said, my bank account is closed illegally. Prove it. So I had to prove it, and I sent them a lawyer's note, which is from a Cologne lawyer, right? A Cologne lawyer. It's not only against German law, it's against international law. They basically closed my account illegally. So they said, okay. So then they said, you don't have to send us any more sick notes because you're covered in Krankengeld. My court case was against SAP in October. I got attacked with an axe. I got beaten, I got robbed. I actually have about 17 police reports of me being attacked. So what they've actually said is, my doctor in Munich has written numerous letters, phone calls to AOCA saying what's going on. The doctor in Bonn, several doctors, and the whole point was, I started receiving death threats in Munich, right? Because of this SAP thing. So it was under the understanding, and I have the police reports, it was on the understanding that I've now jumped all over Germany waiting for my court case against SAP. My evidence, 700 gigabyte got stolen, my commerce bank got closed, and my ATROCIES stopped.
May I interrupt you for a moment?
Yes.
I'm not your lawyer in the case against Commerzbank,
No, but
and I'm not the lawyer in the case against SAP. So what concerns my work is only if AOK paid you the amount of Krankengeld in this period, as I told you before. And if they send it to a bank account that was closed and you can that was illegally closed, that's not my concern, because you have to check it with the Commerzbank.
No, I know, but the whole point is they said, first I got paid by SAP, which I didn't, because my bank account was closed, right? So completely illegal. Then they said, prove it, which I did when I sent them the letter from Bateman. Then I've been sending them all these sick notes from all the different doctors, because I've had to jump from Cologne to Düsseldorf to Göttingen, purely to survive. Then they said, don't send us any more sick notes. We've got your Krankengeld covered. And then they said, we can't pay you your Krankengeld, like they said, because you got paid from SAP, which is not true.
But that's just only for 2 months. That's not what they told me. It's for 2 months, from the 1st of May till the 3rd of June in 2017. But they told me that they paid you Krankengeld for the rest of the period till your Arbeitsunfähigkeitsbescheinigung reached them too late.
No, I did not receive a payment from last August.
Are you sure that they didn't pay to the bank account at Commerzbank?
It was closed.
Yeah, but you don't know, right? You don't know if they paid it into this account.
If an account is closed, the payment will bounce. I've worked in banking for over 17 years. If a bank account is closed, money doesn't just go into it, it bounces.
No, that's not the case. If they have debts, and if they should receive money from you because you have drawn your bank account into minus, they will get the money, but you won't get it.
No, sir. The thing is, when I opened the bank, I was told to open the Commerce Bank account, right? I had a 5,000 credit card, 5,000 overdraft. I was a gold member because of SAP. If it's not frozen, it's closed. The bank account no longer existed. So you can't put money into an account that doesn't exist.
That's right, yeah.
So what I'm saying is, when they said, they have given me, I've actually been in the room with the director of AOK saying, for the love of God, please help me. I contacted them in December. What do you need, because I'm going to die on the street?
Okay.
They wouldn't tell me anything.
Just to cut it short, are you able to tell me exact what amount of money you did get from AOK?
So since last August, all I received was 800 euros into a Sparkasse account, because what they were saying was open another bank account, which is what I did. And I have been sending them sick notes. And what the agreement was is I send them the sick note, the doctor sends them the sick note, and I email it to them as well.
But I have to know as well how much money you received till August.
No, that's the other thing is all the amounts were all over the place. As far as I know, so what SAP basically said was, right, we've treated you so horrendously, we'll pay part of it, and AOK will pay the rest of it.
Yeah, but, you know, this is not about just August till now. This is about from the beginning.
Yes.
So I have to know what AOK exactly paid you from the beginning on, so I can check what amount is still open.
This lawyer knows. You can contact him. He was my lawyer for SAP. He's the one that actually says in there that AOK is legally obliged to pay my Krankengeld until this summer, because I'm over the 6-month period.